Hey there everyone, what is up? Mr. Spockton here and welcome back to this brand new video, and today we're gonna be checking out this game called Skullgirls. And yeah, sorry for the long wait, but hey, I'm finally back. Also yeah, long story short, I kinda got bored of Apex, so that's why we're doing this game instead. Now, I'm not sure that a lot of you actually do know Skullgirls, but some of you must have heard of it or even played it, but not really liked it. But I'll be honest, I kinda got influenced by my friend to actually play this, and I'm enjoying myself so far because I got a diamond already at level 13. He was pretty mad about this. I'm still sorry, mate, but hey, my luck is a bit too strong. Now, for you guys who actually don't know how the game works, basically it's a 3v3 type of game. You get free cards, meaning free characters, and you fight them off against other free characters, which is in Miss Team. And yeah, how do you actually get the characters, you may ask? Well, you can open relics and actually get a variety of characters with different rarities like bronze, silver, gold and diamond. And of course, with diamond being the highest rank, you're gonna have the lowest possible chances of getting them. Still, it's quite the gamble. Now that you guys know what Skullgirl is, let's move on to the gameplay. Now, this is how the game actually looks when you're fighting, and to be honest, I think that it is actually better than Mortal Kombat X. Because yeah, it just looks better. Like, yes, I know, like, it doesn't look realistic or anything like that, but the cool thing about this is that it's very smooth on any mobile, and you can actually choose what kind of abilities you want to have. Like, you can choose like the Brace Knuckle for Big Bang, and I think the A-Train. I think that's some different abilities which you don't necessarily have to put them. It's literally your choice. You do whatever you want, and that's a cool thing because in Mortal Kombat X you cannot do that. It's permanent. Now, obviously, like any series, I have my own goals, so you guys might be wondering, what is mine? Well, obviously, we're not just gonna open packs and fight over and over again. Well, my goal is to actually get a diamond Big Ben. I was actually thinking that maybe a gold one, but yeah, I think it's too easy to actually get a gold Big Ben, so yes, we're gonna try to get a diamond one. I'm not sure if a diamond one even exists. If it doesn't, well, fuck. I don't know what my next goal would be, but yeah, we're gonna try to do that, and yeah, but mostly I'm gonna be fighting in the prize fighters and trying to get the relics, because apparently it's a revolutionary. Oh my god, I can't say this word. Revolutionary. There we go. The revolutionary. Oh, fuck. You know what? I'm just gonna say the rev packs or the rev relics because it's way easier. But yes, I'm gonna try to get the rev relics because they have the highest chance of giving me a diamond character. So I might do that, or I will do that most likely. But yeah, basically fighting in prize fighters until I get a Big Ben. Yeah, that's literally how simple it is. But hey, without further ado, let's head straight into a match. Now, yeah, these opponents are actually a bit stronger, and I don't want to use my gold characters just yet. So I'm gonna put Wheel Pain, or Pain Wheel, my bad, into the team, and I'm even weaker, but I feel like I could pull this off. So yeah, let's see what I can do, and hopefully I don't lose. Because yeah, as Big Ben, I should be quite strong, I think.
Pick it up and hold it higher.
Don't get caught.
Not bad.
Just
Not bad. Hey, listen here. What? Get hot.
it's too much. Immobilize.
Back on beat.
Don't get caught.
Give me a hit.
I won't fail. Don't get caught.
Hey, listen here.
Mother.
Who's next? Hit it! Good job! Yes, sir! Good job! Press slam! Unstoppable!
Don't get caught.
Watch it! Good job! Press slam! Slow it down! Good job! That's it. Push.
Too close.
Reach up. That's it. Bench. Player 1 wins. Super Dragon.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest, this finish was horrible, but hey, we move on. Oh, okay, they are overpowering us, so yeah, I think I might have to change Big Ben for this one. Let's put Robo Fortune. Yeah, I'm not really the best with her, but well, actually, it's a robot, so I don't think there's a gender. It, I guess. I'm not the best with it, but I'll try my best, you know. And I kind of hate Robo Fortune as well, mostly because of the personality. But hey, I cannot judge, so let's fight.
Build up. Cat tiger.
Showtime. Around here. What?
Watch the thing. Lucky shot. Watch the face! Turn the
Good job. Press left.
Jeez!
You okay? Watched it.
Watch the face!
No, you're wrong.
Gift insert. Offering. Knockdown. Gels. Crash. Round occurrence. Watch the face! Noisy blast processor. Another form. Blast processor. Prodded.
Player 1 wins.
What am I fighting for?
Damn, I made so many mistakes in this fight, but okay, we won. That's all that matters. Alright, enough fighting, let's open a relic and let's see what I can get. I'm paying 100 gems for that, so hopefully it's a good thing. Alright, let's see, come on, hopefully a gold or even a silver and... Okay, that's not a gold.
I'm ready to pounce.
Okay. Well, fuck, I lost 100 gems. Yeah, I shouldn't have gambled, oh well, fuck. Okay, I know it's a really bad idea, but I'm purchasing one of these. Let's see what I can get. Come on, at least one gold, man. It's 300 gems. Come on. Oh. Fuck's sake, man. Silver and some shards. That's it. 300 for a silver. Are you mad? God damn. Well, after this loss, I think I'm gonna have to end this video here. God damn, I lost 400 and only got a silver and a bronze. Wow, that was very bad. Yeah, I'm not gambling again. Fuck this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, we'll be coming back soon tomorrow because I'm uploading daily now. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.